Okay, good morning, and welcome to the next week in our journey. We're nearing the end, and this week is going to be on gaming and entertainment. And I'm most sad about how to transfer this particular week into an online learning because when we were in a classroom setting, what I used to do was I would bring decks of playing cards and as you would participate in the class, I would give out cards, and then we would play a little bit of poker. Not to gamble or anything like that or break any rules, but just because of the nature of the content of it and to get into the spirit of it. And so if you have a deck of cards this week, what I'd love for you to do is as you're reading a section, give yourself a card. And then let's take a look at that hand and see if you can make a winning hand. So I am not in any way, shape, or form an experienced gambler, but I did look it up to see what the winning hands were, and I have them up on the screen. So just for a little fun, we'll go through this. Royal Flush is all of the same suit and in a straight or consecutive order, with the ace being a high. And then a straight flush is similar, but it's not including the king, queen, jack, and ace necessarily. It's just 5 straight cards that are all the same suit. So again, same suit would be hearts or diamonds or clubs or spades. 4 of a kind, pretty self-explanatory. Full house, 3 of one kind and 2 of another, so 3 eights and 2 twos. I will tell you that the higher of the card that has that you have 3 of is going to be a winning hand. So if I had a full house kings over tens, that would be better than a full house twos over threes, or 3 twos and 2 threes. Flush, doesn't matter what cards it is, but all the same suit, so all diamonds in your hand, so 5 diamonds. Straight would be 2 3 4 5 6. 3 of a kind, pretty self-explanatory. 2 pair, so 2 twos and 2 fours. A pair, so just 2 twos. And then high cards. So even if you are playing poker and you don't have any of these things, if you have in your hand an ace and the other person that you're playing with doesn't have anything at all either and only has a 2, then you would win the hand. So just a little bit of fun and levity. So I wanted to share that with you for this week. The assignments are a little bit lighter this week. I don't really have anything that's going to be coming up as due this particular week. It is a good catch-up time to be sure to look at all of your assignments that you had and submit them. In addition, I did not get any responses on the discussion for the leadership project. So I have decided to make that an independent project and not a group project. So I'll be adjusting that slightly, and you'll see that that will be due at the end of the semester. As always, if you have any questions or need anything, don't hesitate to let me know, and I hope you have a great week. Bye.